Alright, y'all. I'm doing a little video today where I'm just gonna chart. That's it. Nothing crazy. Just me charting. Um, yeah. So if you like to see people chart or want to know how I chart specifically, I'm about to show you. I usually start on a daily, and if this wherever the stock is, I try to basically get if it's in the like right here, 59. I'll go to these lows here at 58 and this high at 641, but I'll probably go right here because that looks like a false breakout. So I'll go here just to catch more, get as many taps on as I can get, and then I'll go to the 4 hour because I can see a lot more better here, and I'll start on this side. So we have this right here. Get as many touches as I can. This looks like a came over here. As I go over, I also just grab more lows that look like they meant something somewhere in the past, and see this was a resistance at one point, became a support here. This was a support, became a resistance area. I'll also grab this level right here, a lot of touches. And yeah, that's basically what I'll do, man. I'll go to the 1 hour, just see how this thing moves really. And what I can see here is we have a huge range basically, and I'll go grab this, get this rectangle. And if I'm talking so slow in this video, I don't know why I talk so slow, but what you can do is just speed it up. We have a range here. Now we have some breakouts here. False breakout, ended up false breakout, false breakout, came out, broke out, ended up coming back into the range, broke out again, pulled back into this range. So this is Walmart. So for me personally, as I look at this stock, I would be looking to sell high here, buy low here. If we break above, I would love to see a hold of this level first before seeing it take off to 61. I'd love to see a break, hold, go. And it all depends on market conditions. Because even if you look here, false breakout, came back down. This has been a strong resistance and support in the past. So that's Walmart. And I'm just charting for fun, just to chart. Sometimes I do this when I'm sad, when I had a bad day trading. Come and chart. Well, no day's a bad day, but you know, you learn regardless. Okay, so this here's SoFi, and this is towards the bottom. So what I'll do is try to find the next swing low. Basically, probably go right here. I probably will not need all this, but I'll just do it for the sake. And I'll just give us a level here. This looks like a false breakout. And then I'll come over here. Oh, there's no information on this side. We don't really have much information, so I guess I just have to start here. Swing low, swing highs. So obviously we get this one for sure. We got support, resistance, support. This is a strong level, support level. So we got that for sure. This looks important. Over here we got these, so I'll just try to grab those. Boom, 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 boom. What do I see here? Another range. Yeah. A lot of these are in like a range. So it looks like we'll be buying low here. Bounce. Bounce. Maybe we might get a bounce up here depending on market conditions. We'll leave that there. Might not trade any of these, but just looking at them. And we have snap. It looks like we're at the top of a range here. We have this level here. Yep, like that. Go here. I keep singing that JP song, whatever that guy named JP. Guess what? I'm JP. It's in my head. I'm singing it in my head. I don't really like this chart. Like, for everything it's doing, I really don't like it. I'm actually gonna not waste my time on that. Certain charts, if you just don't like them, you don't gotta touch them. This is shop. I haven't tried this in a long time. I think I'll just remove the drones and do it again. I don't know when the last time I tried this. So we're at 78, 74. I'll go down to 67, and it's obviously a false breakout. And I'll go back and get some information. Beautiful. Okay. So, nope. You're not going nowhere. We have these levels here. Get the middle of that. Touch, 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 touch. Came with support. If I go over here, that's all the information we got from the past. Yeah. And then here we go. Close to the bottom of this range, and I can put a something right here, put a level right there, because this resistance a little bit. And if I really want to act crazy, that's another little sum, but I think it's not needed. For shop, I would be looking at if we can buy calls into 77, because this is a real spicy level right here. It gets spicy in here. I wonder if I was to take this off, what would I see? These are definitely the highs. And I just want to broke right through here, which is weird. But we held it right here. False breakout, came back up here. Unless I wanted to make this the low. I like tighter ranges. That way I can get in and get out. I like this right here though. Here, if we can hold this level, we can see a move to 83 for surely. And if I go to the 4 hour, sometimes you really don't even need to go to the 4 hour, because some of these don't even move that much. But if you want to, you could get this level right here, just because it's so tight, and you might not want to be in the stock all day. You might just want to catch the small move. So maybe the first move you catch is to 76, then to 79, and you just scalp it all the way to the top. But you see, this is a strong support at one point. Come up here, hold it. Probably you could be green. Starbucks. Let's delete this. I don't even. There's a lot going on. Refresh this. Starbucks looks like it's almost at its breaking point. So boom, we can get this level right there, and we can right up to here. Huge gap. Oh, I love it. I love it. So let's get some information. This is a serious level right here. Let me put that right there. One day I want to just get so nice at charting. Like, I want to get so nice at charting. And these smaller moving stocks, you just want to just get in, get out. I believe. And you don't want to play with it too much. Need a little $2, $3 moves. And so if Starbucks is right here, I like this right here, this double bottom. I like this double bottom right here. This is like definitely a level where if it comes down here, it's a possibility where we have buyers. So you just wouldn't want to get faked out selling into these levels is what I would look at, really. And guess what? I'm JP. Yeah. If it's too confusing, I won't stress myself with it. Like, I really will not. I like to look at things that are very obvious. These are old levels that I've made for these stocks. You can just tell by the color of the lines I'm using. I don't know why I use yellow now for some reason, whatever reason. 39. Let's just start at 34 and go up here to 46 and get the information. Okay, so our information starts really in here. So we got this right here. Basically, I can just move this up just to respect pass. And the levels in here that matter. So we have a range here between these two levels for sure. And with these, it's like, I feel like because of the fact that with what I'm about to start doing, I wonder how many dollars you can move weekly. Like, is this like a weekly range? Yeah. Damn near. So we're at the bottom of this range, which is beautiful. You know, it's beautiful when you catch these at the bottom of their range and maybe ride it up. This is a strong range though, as you can see. And you know what I like to do sometimes, which I didn't do for other ones, but create some trend lines. Look at this, but that just looks too. See that? Respect. And we broke out, created a new low. Trendline rules. Broke out. This overshoot. Create new low. Correction. Reversal. So something to look at and maybe think, hey, This could be something that can move up. But we have a lot of chaos. I'm really going to play with these next week and see what I can do. I'll just leave those there because it makes sense. See a little bit better here. Overshoot, new low. Beautiful. Just beautiful, you know? It's beautiful. I'll leave that there. PayPal. It's the old one. Let's get some new vibes in here. Jeez Louise. Let's just get these right here. This low. This is a high, but we can get more touches right there. Ooh, that's beautiful. You see that? I love when you put something one time and it just makes sense on the other side. I like that. Okay, so this is the range. This is beautiful. Okay. Alright, let's just. I don't. Sometimes I even use this. Just to. Maybe a weekly might be better just to get better information out of this because. We'll see what happens when I turn it back off. Get some better information. See, they be making sense a little bit. Hey, oh wow, I'm trying to baby. This is serious right here. That's horrible, but no, it's not. But it is a little bit, but it's not. You know, but it is, but it's not. It makes sense a little song. Keep that there. We'll leave that there. See whatever we can. This uptrend. I like doing these on this way. It's a lot cleaner to see sometimes. And also, let me see. If this makes sense, this should work on both sides of the market size. Let's see. Does this work? This looks like something that opened up higher than it was supposed to. Overshoot. Let's see. Do a song. Do a little song. Do a little song. We're in the middle of this though. I would love to get it back down here and buy Peloton. I watched it. I'm not even gonna touch this. This is actually like, yeah, I'm not even gonna touch this because like, no, I'm straight. I'm straight. I ain't even gonna touch that picture. So see what this is about. Okay. Guess what? I'm JP. Boom. What's up? We at the top. It's Reggie. Reggie's range. It's crazy. We got this. I wonder what. Let me look at it like this. We got this. 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 Once I come back here, like we got this. This. To get any point. But every don't matter. Cause some of these just be false breakouts and ranges. Some of these points. Some of these points should be in it. If I'm gonna let y'all know if certain things don't just pop out to me, I'm not gonna stress myself. I like that. Sometimes I like to use this. Boom. Boom. Don't do like a fall out between this range and this right here. Boom. See, it makes sense. But you touch here. Bottom. Here two at the same time. If I here, I can retest in this middle. The daily. If you can see that. So that's what I find something very simply. I don't want to. Oh, that's horrible. But y'all can see what I'm saying. Boom. Boom. Middle. Retest. Usually it's supposed to be like boom, boom, then go. Double bottom right there. Beautiful. Beautiful at the bottom. But this is a case here. Chaos. False breakout here. You know, these I would say this look like more of a stronger breakout, but these right here with these wicks, you could tell they just false breakouts. And we respected this level twice. So I could see this coming back down here. Touching this. So there it is. Came right back down. Let's see that. Give them checks, Nike. Daily. Boom. Okay. I guess weird. I really love tool because it just shows you the. And if you use this, a lot of people use no wicks with this. What's up? Your hands dirty? Go get the wipes. Go get the wipes. Okay, go get the wipes. Then you get it. Girl, who get the wipes? Go the wipes. Like this. Boom, boom. Are you scared? Bro, what are you doing? Alright, come on. Number one. Number one. Number two. Number three. No. Number four. Yeah. Put in the trash, please. Okay. We go this whatever we're going. I'm not going above that. Nike is running $10 of one day. It's okay. Just put it down. Put it down. Put it down. You need to use the bathroom? It's not. Talk. Okay. No. Keep your shoes on. Are you ready? Alright, a little spicy right there. Oh gosh, I thought I was gonna be a millionaire trader by today. I'm coming. Strong level right here. Come on. Listen to you right here. Nature got. Oh my goodness. Just like this. A little something. Let's see if it makes sense both hands. Might just be a little too high. That's just a bunch. Too huge. Here you can draw small. From here to here. I'm doing my work because I have to. Let me crazy overshare here. New low. It might make sense, might not. I like it though. Don't want to have a pressure. Okay, let me finish my work, please. What you put on your head? Like my work? Alright, go get your iPad. Go get your iPad.
Okay, to my daddy.
Okay. Sorry. This little girl, she's crazy. Got that. Some serious stuff right there. Beautiful. Hey, no, no. Yeah, I see. I see it. conflicted, but that's what we got. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you got, you know? Or you can get stirred with them like this and just, but it makes sense. I don't think so. I feel like this is a huge range, but I mean huge channel, but this looks like what makes sense. You feel me? Just a little something like that, a little splat. I don't know. I'm not gonna trade these if it don't make sense to me. The ones that oh yeah, this is green. Okay, this looks like it makes sense. Like I'm gonna trade it. But if it don't, I'm not gonna play with it. I'm not Superman yet, you know. Boom. But this. Here we go. Just go after this real quick. See what it's in for. Boom. 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 You already know what's sitting on. See that? Okay, Macy's been in this place. Been here before. And you already know I'm sitting on. Oh, yeah. Yep.
Bye.
Thank. We're gonna have to look at weeks because I'm gonna get too many levels of this. Let's start this again. I'm noticing that the week candles might work better when you're dealing with these smaller like this.
I'm gonna come out to you. I'm gonna come out to you.
Oh.
I'm gonna.
15. 27. Just nature, you gotta go in the room. Close the door. You're seeing some confusion. I'm very aware of confusion, and I don't play too much with it. Very aware. So it's like confusion. See how beautiful that looks? That looks very simple. I'm sending you a banner. Very confusing. I don't know. Simple this here. We can see a very, very simple move down to 21. Yeah, this is the weekly, mind you. So let's look at the daily. I want to see us come back up here, retest. Very simple move. It's a lot of days though for that to happen. Last time, let's go. 1, 2, 5 weeks. I don't know. It's a very simple move. Into this autumn.